What's the meaning of corker? Corker. Corker.
Corker. Corker. The word corker has several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to a person or thing that excels in some way, such as an outstanding performance, a great idea, or a remarkable achievement. In colloquial British English, it can also be used to describe something that is particularly striking, surprising, or impressive. Overall, corker is a positive term used to describe something exceptional, noteworthy, or remarkable. It conveys a sense of admiration and respect for whatever it is being applied to.